What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark. In this video, I will be talking about, does the coronavirus affect online digital marketing? And before I do that, if you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that bell so you'll be the first to know once I upload these videos on how to make some daily cash. So does the coronavirus affect online digital marketing? So no, guys, it does not. The coronavirus does not affect online digital marketing. Okay, now, there are a lot of people who are losing their jobs. You know, the jobs are shutting down, and some people got fired. You know, I've been seeing a lot of people saying they got fired, and I just want to know, like, if you was in this position, or if you are in this position, what is your backup plan? Do you have something, you know, that could help you grow income daily? Or, you know, if you need to take care of something, do you have a backup plan? Do you have a business, an online business, or something that you want to start? Now is the time to, you know, really consider becoming the person that you want to become. All right. So you don't want to ever just allow somebody or the government or, you know, people to have control over your life and your family. So no, it does not affect us for the people that work online, and I'm going to explain to you why. All right. Because digital marketing, all right, it allows you to work from the comfort of your own home. Okay. So right now I am in my home. I have a setup. I have my mic, I have my computer, I have my desk, I have my lights. Okay. I am in comfort of my own home. I don't have to go out and make money. All right. Which leading me to the next point. I don't have to physically meet up with a new member to make an exchange for one of my products. Okay. It's digital. So it's online. It allows me to make a sale by selling one of my digital products online. So this is one of the main things, guys, that is important, because with this whole coronavirus situation, I truly don't believe in it. But I don't want to get too deep into it. I just know that I believe in a higher power, and I believe that, and if you believe that it's real, then you will start manifesting that type of stuff into your life. But if you are, you know, connected with your higher self, and you know that this is, you know, just a test, a test in your faith and everything, guys, then you are good. But you also want to just keep in mind of the rules and everything that is inside of this daily world that we live in. So really, no physical contact is a good thing when it comes to marketing online, because I don't have to physically meet the new member to exchange my product, which leads me to how you get paid, guys. You can get paid instantly. All right. So the company that I'm a part of is $25 1UP. It allows you to get paid instantly through apps that you could receive and send money through, like PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, Stripe, Bitcoin wallet, whatever. Okay. You could use that processor to make money with the company that I'm a part of. And that's one of the great things with online marketing. All right. You can get paid directly through apps. You don't have to be physically in contact with the person, which is one of the rules right now, which is keep distance from people. You know, wash your hands, sanitize, all of that stuff, guys. And money could be one way the virus could be, you know, spread it. So to eliminate that, guys, you can get paid directly through the apps that allow you to receive those funds and use them. Let me come out of here really quick. Let me go over the system/company that I'm a part of. I say system/company because it's a company, but it allows you to brand yourself with a system that help you make money every single day. All right. So it's not like a regular company where you have to wait for a paycheck to be sent out or mailed, you know, or a company that just don't allow you to brand yourself and make it of your own. A company will not give you 100% commissions. You will always have to split, you know, your commissions with a company, a regular company. But $25 1UP is a system. Okay. It's a digital marketing system that allows you to brand yourself, make your own economy. So let me go over some of the, this is, by the way, what we're in right now. This is inside the system. You will have access to this that you can share with other people that would like more information. But you could see how nice the layout and everything is with this website. And I want you to ask yourself, how long do you think it would take you to make a website like this? If you were a beginner, you'd be able to make a website like this, guys. So, all right, so here's the product overview, how to get started and everything, the different products that earn me money, earn others money as well. This is what we sell. So the gold level, guys, is a $25 package, which you earn $25 commissions once you share this with somebody else. You get 500 pre-ran ads, scripts, follow-up messages for your email swipes. You get a Facebook group cheat sheet. If you don't know about Facebook groups, it's where you could go in, post this opportunity, and more people will see it. It's a hot targeted group that allows you to, share your opportunities. There's other people sharing opportunities, and you can make some really good content that other people could see and ask for more info. And then here's where you would share your done for you websites that is already made inside the system. You have a step-by-step tutorial on how to work the whole system. Okay, you have the affiliate marketing cheat sheet as well, training course, 50 ways to promote any business. $25 one-up is a marketing tool. Okay, so everything that comes inside of this system you could use for any other business. All right, so you have the ability to edit the system's autoresponder, which I was talking about, guys. Once somebody put in their email on one of the done for you capture pages, guys, it automatically sends out messages for you. It builds an email list, unlimited. So, and it holds unlimited leads for you guys. That's one of the best things about this system as well. Of course, I have different email marketing systems like Aweber, GetResponse, but you don't have to. That's the beauty of this system. You can use everything inside of it to help you elevate. Now, that's the gold level, guys. You have the platinum level, which is $100 to get started. The Facebook marketing video course, you get YouTube marketing, Instagram marketing video courses, and also you get to use up to 12 banner ads, guys, to promote to your downline. You also get that opportunity to add your Aweber or GetResponse, as I was talking about in the gold level, to your autoresponder, where you could set up a email sequence where your emails are going out while you're doing whatever it is that you like to do. So that's the beauty of online marketing. You could set it, once you set up a few things, click here, click there, run you some traffic, guys, you can literally make income on autopilot. You just have to stay consistent. That's the whole main goal of working from home, okay? Just like any other 9-to-5 job, if you put in the time for that job, guys, put in the time for yourself. The diamond level is a one-time fee of $250 and a $25 software fee. So you also get the gold and the platinum for free, and you get list building one-on-one courses, which is very important. Once you become a part of network marketing, you will have to understand that list building is where your income is going to come from. Okay, and the 10K blueprint video course is going to show you how to make 10K. All right. The digital lifestyle video course, guys, you have to learn how to brand yourself, and this is what you will learn inside the system. You have the ability to add your own sale page videos, which is very important. Once again, you're branding yourself. People join people, not businesses. So if they like you, they trust you, they're going to buy from you, guys. And we teach you everything inside of how to get the like, know, and trust system going on. All you have to do is get started. So you get a lot of things when it comes to the platinum level. From the platinum level to the diamond enterprise, which is a one-time $500 fee plus a 50-time software fee. You get everything from the diamond to the gold for free, and you get more resources and more tools as well with the elite level, a one-time $1,000 fee plus a $100 software fee. This is if you just want to go all in. You get everything else for free, and you have the ability to earn $1,000 per referral. I don't know about you guys, but 100% commissions of $1,000 multiple times a day can most definitely free up some time for you. But if you just want a solid level to come in at, guys, the diamond level, which is the one-time $250 plus the $25 admin fee, where you can go ahead and get these two levels for free. and you're eligible to earn up to $250 per sale. And now that's a lot of money, guys. We really like to focus on high ticket products. So if you coming in at the $25 level, you're only eligible to earn those type of commissions. But once you hit the platinum level and up, guys, it's big money from there. And that's what you want to set yourself up is for success and not for failure. So to answer the question, guys, no, the coronavirus does not affect online digital marketers. So if you like this content, please don't forget to subscribe. Also click that bell. Other than that, I'm out.